Good morning, guys. Gonna weigh myself. Okay, here we go. Yep, 2010 gain. Look at that rice I had, man. Yeah, gotta eliminate those refined carbohydrates on me. It's still rainy season, guys. Alright, okay, guys. Kiki again. I weighed myself, you know, I was 1/10 of a kilo over. Oh. Alright, I'm having 4 eggs, Asian pear, some banana. I don't know how many I'm gonna have. Let's start with 1. If I get hungry, I eat more. And instant coffee. No 3 in 1, just regular instant coffee. Now it's better than what I taste, than what I eat, you know, what I make. Eggs. Basically, this is it. The pears, I like to stick them in the freezer for an hour or 2 and get real cold. Okay, guys, I got a blackout here in the apartment, and it's raining outside. Heck, rain or shine, Kiki's got a job, right? I gotta keep you guys informed of my daily habits and my life here. Rain's part of the life, so let's go for it. Okay, you got seats here. Even though it's under a carrot, it still gets wet. Let's dry that baby up. Okay, put the camera away. And it's like a typhoon out there, man. I mean, it's not that raining, but when you're driving a bike, all the rain gets in your eyes, you're like blind. So I came here, my safe haven is, oh thank heaven for 7-Eleven, oh thank heaven for 7-Eleven, oh thank heaven for 7-Eleven, you saved my life. Guys, the problem I have now is that I'm on a diet, I'm hungry, there's no lights at home, I'm bored, the rain's blasting, and the only people around are little girls. I mean, when I say little girls, high school kids. Too young for me. So I'm just here, walking around the 7-Eleven here. They have the emergency powers on, but they got their cooler. I just see my favorite Diet Coke. Oh, Justin. I can have a beer, right? A beer is okay. No, I better not. I better not have a beer. How many times a day you do this? Wipe everything down? Check that out, guys. I used to work at a 7-Eleven when I was a kid. She slapped me. I did it twice. All right. I don't know. Let's see where I can go next. And not everybody speaks English. I mean, a good 90% of the people speak English, but not everybody. You know? Some do, some don't. Here in the rain. I wanted to get a haircut actually, kill my time. But they're closed, no power. These are the jeepneys. These jeepneys go to Dumaguete. DGT is Dumaguete to Valencia. They go back and forth, and people sit like this in little chairs, and they pay. I don't know how much they pay. Let me find out. How much money they charge to get to Valencia? 20 pesos?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's 20 pesos. I'll take you to Valencia. By bike, it's good, 10-15 minutes. Hello, how are you? How many trips you do a day? 7 or 6 days? You don't go to Dumaguete unless the van's full, right?
Maybe even if it is not full, we will go to the market.
Oh, okay, all right. So how often? Once an hour or something, or what?
Maybe 20 minutes.
Oh, okay. So every 20 minutes? No.
No. It depends upon the passenger.
This is a little pizza shop. There's a little pizzeria shop here for a small town. There's a restaurant here. This is the famous red table. Hi. There's no drunks here today, just family, and you know, you got Paco's Tacos. Hello, Paco's Tacos. Hey, I don't know what it is. A hot dog stand or something? This is basically a hot dog shop. You guys sell hot dogs, is it?
Yeah, super low.
Hot dogs? Dine Joe. Hi. What kind of business is this? Oh, ice cream store, right? You gotta make your own ice cream, right? Ah, you got a homemade ice cream shop. It's cute, yeah. Across the street is the plaza. Rainy day, Valencia, guys. Rainy day. You go up the steps. This is a little plaza they have here. Here, of course, all the fruit stands on Sundays. Over there, you have restaurants there. You've been through that already. And here they got a little court inside there. They have restaurants and coffees around there. Get a little circle there. There's the Christmas tree. It's gonna stay up how long? I don't know how long, much longer. The Christmas lasts a long time in the Philippines, guys. Starts in September. Now over here, you have like a market. Hi everyone. Happy rainy day. Hold on, I'll start talking so quickly. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? And what are you doing? Hello.
Vegetable.
The cooking vegetables?
Oh, you're a vlogger.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So
In
you're
your
cooking.
place?
So you're cooking by fire.
Yeah. It's run
Oh, by
out.
light, huh?
Oh.
Hey,
You know what?
simplify, guys.
what
Simplify, huh?
You know what did it?
No.
It's a cotton, salt, and oil.
Oh, so they make this thing out of this lamp. Homemade lamp.
Homemade.
It's made out of what?
Homemade.
Cotton.
Salt, cotton, and oil.
So they put salt on the bottom, cotton in the middle,
Right.
and
Salt
oil
in
on
the
top.
bottom, salt in the bottom.
Oh, salt on the.
And
Okay.
the top is cotton.
Okay. And what's in the bottom?
Oh, up to here. Half a kilo.
Oh, what? Oil?
Salt.
Oh, so you put salt up to here,
Then cotton.
and a little bit of cotton and oil. How much
Oil.
cotton? How much cotton about?
Cotton is about 5 pesos.
A little piece of cotton. Yeah. The blue stuff there, that's a cotton. And they have the oil there, and it light up.
150. This up to this one, half a kilo of salt.
Good. How much oil? What kind of oil?
Just coconut oil.
Coconut oil?
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil. Or any kind of oil, right?
Yes.
It has to be coconut oil, or could you use cooking oil?
Cooking oil.
Cooking oil.
Cooking oil.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. Thank you. Pretty cool, guys, huh? Pretty cool. Now, this is Doc. Hello. Everybody's got their markets here. They're still doing business. They're still working. Hello, hi. Can't see anything, guys, so I bet you won't be able to see anything either. Hi. What are you using for lights? What are you using for a lamp?
Lamparilla in Filipino.
It's a homemade? How'd you make that?
Mine has been made.
Homemade, but how do you make one? What's inside? Oil or what else?
Kerosene. There is a.
Oh, it's kerosene one. Oh, it's kerosene. Okay, thank you. Hey, what's this stuff? Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Mm. Fried chicken. Give me a big piece.
Yeah,
That's not big, come on.
big one.
That's big. Hey, that's big. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
That's for you, okay? Let's change this for you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Need the business right now. Gotta lose that weight, man. Promise you guys I will. My goal is 90 kilos. And over here we have the fish market. This is the fish market. Hi, how much is kilo for chicken? How much a kilo? 215 a kilo, bucks. That's Same price as Kite Walk. We got fish. Michelle, does the rain hurt business a lot? Does this hurt your business?
Yeah.
But I'm glad I came today. Because you look so beautiful, Michelle. Look at you. Look how beautiful you look. Oh, yes you do. Yes you do. Huh? Oh, yes you are. Give me 3 Asian pears. Are they any good? Is they still good? Okay, get 3 Asian pear. Some bananas. Guys, Michelle's a looker, huh? Single, beautiful girl, self-employed, self-sufficient, good lady. Take care, Michelle. God bless you. Big pepper. That's small. Any bigger than that?
They're just the same, sir.
How much money?
300.
300? I thought it was 265.
Yes, sir.
35.
So,
Your change
so
is
it's 265 or 300?
Your money is 300 and our chicken is 265.
I know. I'm playing with you.
Keep the change, sir. Thank you.
No. Tomorrow I come for the change. All right. Bye-bye, guys. All right. Bye-bye. I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna have some Chuck's chicken. That's what I'm having for dinner. Nothing else.